Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create this flash blur effect in CapCut. So I'm just going to go to the part where I want to add in the flash and blur. So around here, select the clip and split it so you know when to start the flash and blur. Go to Effects, Video Effects, and it's under Basic, but I'm just going to go to Favorites and add in Blur and press the checkmark button. And I'm going to make it so it doesn't go all the way till the end. So around here, go back again, and then you are going to press Overlay, Add Overlay, and under Stock Videos, click on this one and press Add. And I'm just going to resize it so it fits the whole screen. And I'm also going to split it to fit the clip of the video, and then press delete. Click on the white background, press splice and press overlay, and here you can adjust how bright you want it to be. I'm just going to choose this, like around 20 maybe. It's up to you though. Then I'm going to go to animation, out, and press fade out so the color fades out like that. And this is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!